How to add money to Disney Store gift card 2025 method. How to add money to Disney Store gift card 2025 method. If you're a Disney fan, having a Disney Store gift card is a magical way to shop for merchandise, limited edition collectibles, or even online exclusives. But what happens when your gift card balance runs low? Most people get this wrong. They think once the card is depleted, that's it. The surprising truth is, you can reload your Disney Store gift card easily in 2025, both in store and online, giving you continuous access to Disney magic. In this video, we'll break down every method step by step, cover the tips to maximize your balance, and explain what to avoid so you never get stuck with a useless gift card. Let's start with a brief overview. A Disney Store gift card functions like a prepaid debit card specific to Disney purchases. These can be used at physical Disney stores, shopdisney.com, and even sometimes in Disney theme parks if linked to your account. The flexibility makes them perfect for birthdays, holidays, or even for personal use to control spending while enjoying your favorite Disney merchandise. Step 1. Verify your current balance. Before adding money, it's important to know your current balance. Here's how to check it. 1. Online: Go to Disney's official gift card portal at shopdisney.com/giftcards. Enter your card number and PIN to view your balance. 2. In store: take your gift card to any Disney store and ask a cashier to check the balance for you. 3. Phone: call Disney's customer service at 1-877-650-4327. Follow the prompts to check your balance using your card number. Knowing your balance helps you determine how much money you want to reload and ensures you're not exceeding any maximum limits. Step 2. Determine the reload method. Disney offers multiple ways to add money to your gift card in 2025. These include 1. In-store reload: visit any Disney Store location. Present your gift card to the cashier. Specify the amount you want to add. Disney allows reload starting from $5 up to $500 per transaction. Pay using cash, credit, or debit card. Your card will be immediately reloaded, and you can use it right away. 2. Online reload via shopdisney.com: log into your Disney account. If you don't have one, create an account and link your gift card. Navigate to the gift card section and select reload gift card. Enter your card number, PIN, and the amount you want to add. Pay with your preferred method: credit card, debit card, or PayPal. The funds will appear instantly on your Disney gift card balance. 3. Recurring reloads optional: for convenience, Disney allows you to set up automatic reloads. This is particularly useful for parents or frequent Disney shoppers. You can select a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly schedule and the amount you want to automatically add. This ensures your gift card always has a balance for your next magical purchase. Step 3. Using your reloaded gift card. Once your Disney Store gift card is reloaded, you can use it online on shopdisney.com. When checking out, select gift card as your payment method and enter your card number and PIN. Use it at any physical Disney store for merchandise purchases. Sometimes, link it to your Disney account for use at theme parks or for mobile purchases. This feature varies by region, so check Disney's website for specific rules. Step 4. Monitor your balance and transactions. Even after reloading, it's important to track your spending. Online tracking: your Disney account keeps a history of all transactions, including purchases and reloads. Mobile app: if you have the Disney app, you can quickly check your balance and transaction history. Receipt: keep your receipts after each reload or purchase, especially for larger amounts, in case of discrepancies. Tips and tricks to maximize your Disney gift card. 1. Combine multiple gift cards: if you have several Disney gift cards, you can combine them online by adding each card during checkout. This is useful if you have smaller balances spread across multiple cards. 2. Avoid exceeding maximum balance: Disney gift cards have a maximum balance limit, usually $1,000. Plan your reloads to avoid exceeding this. 3. Take advantage of promotions: Disney sometimes runs promotions where reloading your gift card during a sale or special event can earn extra perks or bonus credits. Always check the website for current offers. 4. Secure your card: treat your gift card like cash. If lost or stolen, you'll need the card number and receipt to request a replacement. Linking your card to your Disney account provides an added layer of security. Common mistakes to avoid: 1. Forgetting the PIN: some reloads require the PIN from the back of the card. Keep it safe. 2. Ignoring expiration policies: while Disney gift cards generally don't expire, unused balances on certain promotional or third-party cards may have expiration dates. 3. Reloading beyond limits: attempting to reload more than the allowed maximum per transaction can cause errors. Check limits before adding funds. 4. Overlooking payment methods: online reloads typically accept credit, debit, or PayPal. Cash is only accepted in store. Real world example: imagine Sarah, a Disney enthusiast, wants to purchase the latest limited edition Mickey plush and a set of collectible pins online. She has a gift card with $25 remaining, but the total purchase is $80. By following the 2025 method: 1. She logs into shopdisney.com and selects reload gift card. 2. She adds $60 using her debit card. 3. Her Disney gift card balance is now $85. 4. Sarah completes her purchase online using the gift card, leaving her with $5 for future shopping. This simple method ensures she never misses out on limited time Disney merchandise. Additional considerations: third-party purchases: some third-party retailers sell Disney gift cards. While they can be reloaded similarly, always check that the card is officially recognized to avoid issues. Gifting reloads: you can reload a Disney gift card as a gift for someone else. Just make sure the card is activated and the recipient knows the PIN. Customer support: if you encounter issues while reloading, Disney's customer service is available via phone, email, or live chat. They can assist with failed transactions, balance discrepancies, and lost or stolen cards. Conclusion: adding money to a Disney Store gift card in 2025 is easier than most people think. Whether you prefer in-store reloads, online reloads, or even setting up recurring automatic reloads, Disney makes it convenient and secure. By following the step-by-step process, monitoring your balance, and avoiding common mistakes, you can keep your gift card ready for your next magical purchase. The surprising truth about Disney gift cards is that, with careful management and timely reloads, they can serve as both a budgeting tool and a way to enjoy Disney merchandise without ever worrying about overspending. Whether you're a parent, a collector, or a fan shopping for yourself, mastering this 2025 method ensures your Disney magic never stops. Now that you know exactly how to add money to your Disney Store gift card, you can reload confidently, maximize your spending power, and never miss out on your favorite Disney treasures.